In this part, we will deal with the last of the setup tables, strongly related to accounting. So this is inventory setup. Let's open this. In this, you will find some inventory posting setups, and we will go through the fields. So in General tab, you will find automatic posting setup. This means that after transactions, the system will perform cost posting and some cost adjustments. So if it's on, the system will make those adjustments, and with connection with this field, you can choose when it will do it. If you put always, system after each warehouse transaction will calculate the costs. What does it mean? For example, when posting a sales invoice, if this option is unchecked, the system will only post revenue, VAT, and receivables, and will not post the value of inventory and the cost of goods sold. So it will only do the revenue part. If you put this automatic cost posting and you will put always or some other time period, the system will automatically calculate the cost and make the general ledger posting here. How to use these options? If system works smoothly without any locks and user do not complain on the system, and when calculating the cost of postings and so on, you can leave your settings like this. So automatic cost posting always. But if your users have some problems with the system, and when it's locking, because when system runs this cost adjustment job, it's locking some tables and it can last long. So if you have this option, it will lock the tables and user will not be able to do anything in the system. So in this case, you should consider turn this option off and make these cost adjustments manually. And this can be done by using some scripts, but about this I will tell you in the inventory evaluation topic later on. In the next option, expected cost posting to GL, you can check it if you want to system to post all the expected costs also into the GL entries. So if you have it on, it's not so good, because you can always check your expected cost in value entries, but having them also in GL entries makes it much harder to reconcile the entries. So I definitely do not recommend to use this option. Default costing method is used when you're not using or you forget to use costing method on item or someone else, system will use this one. Two more fields about average costing, so you can choose the type of calculations, so it can be based on item, location and variant, or based on an item, and a period for those calculations. You can have day, week, month, or the whole accounting period. Then we have some options for inventory. We'll not deal with them right now. In location, you have location mandatory. With this field, the system will need a location, so your warehouse code in the lines. In dimension, you can set item group dimension code. You can choose one of the existing dimensions here. And in numbering, we have all the entities connected with items and logistics. So we have all the items numbering series and the documents. So we have transfer orders, posted documents connected with inventory peak, and some inventory movements. So you can find it all here.